here today with one of my friends and cohorts here, Julia Barth. She is the Chief Executive Officer of Juniper Title and JP Barth. I just lost that for just a minute. So anyway, Julia and I are here to talk about a little bit more about title insurance. So the question I have for you, Julia, is I have people looking, title insurance is one of the more costly parts of the closing process from a title perspective. Is it something that you should be shopping around for? Does that price vary if we go from one title company to another?
That's a good question, Betty, and title insurance is a substantial cost in the closing process. In the state of Texas, title insurance is regulated by the state of Texas, by the Texas Department of Insurance. So no matter which title company you choose to close, your title insurance costs exactly the same to the penny. Okay. So there's really no need, if you're looking to save money on title insurance specifically, to shop around, because it's going to be exactly the same at any title company. There are some variations to other closing costs. Escrow fees are a standard fee you'll see on each side of the transaction. Everyone pays for the handling of the money, and that is a flexible expense. Title companies set those, but it's typically not a large variable. Most of the markets are highly competitive. You might see $50, $25, maybe even $100 difference, but they might have different services they've rolled into it for that extra $100. So the escrow fee is variable, but it isn't that big of a deal. Right. So what you should consider, though, when selecting a title company is the relationship that you or your realtor has with the title company, because without a good relationship, then you may just be a number. And if you're just a number, then your closing doesn't matter as much. And so if you have a relationship with a title company where you know the people and you trust the people, that at the end of the day, you can have a comfort knowing that your deal is going to close as it should, on time, and at the end of the day, no one gets paid. If we look at it from a business perspective, the realtor doesn't get paid and the title company doesn't get paid unless it closes. So everyone does have an incentive to get it closed, but most of the title people are on salary. So at the end of the day, they take their paychecks home. And so you want to have a relationship with that escrow officer or other people, the owners like you and I do, at the end of the day, so that you have that comfort that your deals and your clients matter.
Yeah. I have found that the one thing that always happens is that somebody will have a question on a weekend or in the evening, and obviously sometimes I don't have the answer to that. So having a relationship with somebody like Julia has really paid off for me, because it does give me access. You are very accessible, and so that has made it a real delight to be able to work with you and your team. So I'm really pleased by that, because that is what makes a difference. You're right.
Awesome. Thank you.
We get to choose that, and that's one of the things that I enjoy. So.
And that's what the state wanted. They wanted customers to choose on service and not price.
Right.
Which is why they regulated the price.
Right. Well, that does work. So thank you very much, Julia. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thanks for having me, Betty.
Thanks.